You think you have a very good medical malpractice case, but no lawyer will take your case. You think it's a slam dunk, but nobody wants to help you with your case. What's going on? Want to know what I'm getting at here? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm a medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorney practicing law in the state of Maryland. And I would like to quickly talk with you today as to one reason why an attorney, a medical malpractice attorney, may not take your case. Now, before I get to the answer to that or to deal with that issue, I want to back up and give you a little bit of foundation as to some of the calls that I have gotten to my office over the last couple of months. And in the last couple of months, I've had some individuals who've contacted me dealing with a range of issues, from injuries that were stemming out of surgeries to birth-related issues and things of that nature. And they've contacted me and they've thought that they've had very good medical malpractice cases. But here is the thing. By the time that they have contacted me, they only had a couple of months, and in one instance, a couple of weeks before the statute of limitations was about to run out in their claims. And I want to talk further with you about that. That statute of limitations is very important in the state of Maryland. And what that essentially means is that you have a certain amount of time before you have to bring your claim. If you do not bring your claim within the allotted amount of time, then you can lose that claim forever. Now, I don't want to get too in depth into some more other issues as we talk about factoring your time. But just for this video, I want you to know that there is a specific amount of time that you have to bring your case. And that is, it is important for you to speak with a medical malpractice attorney, in my opinion, as soon as you possibly can, so that attorney can be able to look at some of the critical issues that are present in your case. For example, your time frame, your clock. When does your clock start running? And there is a very detailed analysis that has to be done when we're talking about calculating your statute of limitations. But for this video, I just want you to understand that if you have a case and your statute of limitations is running out soon, it may really be hard for you. It may be hard for you to get an attorney to help you out, because you have to understand that under Maryland law, you have to have medical experts who will go on record and testify as to the standard of care for your case. They have to be willing to testify how that treating doctor deviated from the standard of care, causing your injury or your harm, your damages. You have to have these experts. And if you just kind of think it through, when you're talking about getting other people involved, it may take time. It may take some time to get the experts on board, to get them to review everything. And when we're talking about a close statute of limitations, you may not have enough time. That attorney may not have enough time to get everything reviewed like it should be. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this really important information? Because I'm trying to give you insight into the Maryland medical malpractice process. I'm trying to help you understand that if your statute is running out soon, it may be hard for you to get an attorney on board to help you out. Now, I'm not saying that you should not try. I think you should still try to get an attorney to help you, because you may find an attorney who might be able to have time and might be able to get everything in that amount of time. But I just want to give you a heads up to let you understand that it may be tough. If you have more questions about an injury that you have suffered, maybe while in the care of a doctor, or maybe your baby has suffered an injury at birth, you have these types of questions, this is what I invite you to do. If you would like to speak with someone further about what's going on in your life, you would like to talk with me, you can pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury and wrongful death questions just like yours all the time. And I'll be happy to take some time to listen to your story. All right, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the medical malpractice and childbirth injury attorneys here at Boston Law Group, LLC, and we will see you next time. Take care and enjoy the rest of your day.